This is a small video about the changes on our website and how you can use them on site. So we've designed this for you to have beauty shots so you can show customers ideas. So what you're going to do is you go to the home page. This is the home page. And by the way, this is mobile friendly. You can use your cell phone for this. On the home page, scroll down and you're going to see what project would you like to start. So let's see the fireplace card. There's going to be 9 different categories here. We have 4 up so far. Click on fireplaces. You will get all these beauty shots of different fireplaces. Also descriptions on what stone it is. If you double click on the photo, it gets bigger. And then at the top, if you click to product details, it takes you right to the website on what page that the product is, so you can scroll down and look for that Connecticut oak, which is right there. So those are changes that you can use on site. Use the website to help you sell a job. Use it to give some visuals and some beauty shots to people. We're adding on to this weekly, so always check in to see what's new. Thanks.